In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. Before we get started, a quick note on terminology. In QuickBooks Online, you can't truly erase a customer with historical transactions. Instead, you make the customer inactive. That removes them from your active lists and keeps your records clean, while preserving past invoices and reports. It's the safe, recommended approach, and you can reverse it later if needed. Open QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand navigation. Click Customers and Leads on the sidebar. If your layout looks a little different, use the search bar to find customers. The destination is the same. Now, on the page that opens, move to the Customers tab. This is where all of your customer profiles live, separate from any leads you may be tracking. Find the customer you want to remove from your active list. Use the search box at the top to type part of their name, or sort the column header to locate them faster. When you see the correct customer, look to the right side of their row for the small caret or downward arrow. Click that caret to open the Actions menu for this individual customer. From the menu, choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks may display a confirmation message, especially if the customer has an open balance or linked transactions. Read the prompt and confirm to proceed. The customer will immediately be marked inactive and will no longer appear in pick lists when you create new invoices, receive payments, or run day-to-day tasks. Importantly, all historical activity remains intact for audit trails and reporting. A couple of helpful tips as you finish up. If you change your mind later, you can bring the customer back by filtering your customer list to show inactive records, opening the same carry menu, and choosing Make Active. Consider reviewing open invoices and unapplied credits before you make someone inactive to avoid surprises on your aging reports. If your team shares access, let others know you've cleaned up the list so they don't accidentally recreate duplicate profiles. And if you're maintaining external records, this can be a good moment to export your customer list for reference. That's it. You've successfully cleaned up your QuickBooks Online customer list by making an old customer inactive. Keeping this list tidy makes searches faster, reports clearer, and your workflow simpler. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along in your own account as you practice this process. If you manage multiple companies, repeat the same steps in each file to keep everything consistent.